Good morning. Welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. We're out here in the gym for an active rest day. And today we've got a short Pilates routine called Flex Your Torso. And this is the one where you're trying to focus on the inside and external, the internal and external torso. Basically contracting the external and expanding the internal, I think, or vice versa, one of the two. Anyway, I'll look at the thing again before I get started. So it's basically 7 moves, takes about 5-6 minutes. And then we'll head out on a walk, and then we'll come back and chat and talk about how it went. So pretty sore in the chest from Monday's workout. And legs are still doing pretty good. I assume they'll set in today sometime if they're gonna get sore. But didn't get sore till yesterday, in the chest till yesterday. Sometime mid-morning, mid-afternoon, I've reached across and feel my pecs. I was like, oh man. So they were pretty sore. Anyway, so that's enough about that. We'll get started on this short Pilates routine, Flex Your Torso, and get it done. Get Wednesday on the road and get on over to hump. So let's do this. Let's get this longevity training in so we can meet age with grace. Let's hit it. Let's do it. Flex Your Torso is done. It felt pretty good too. The last part, just like last time, my abs were too wore out from knee curls, you know, pulling your knees to your chest and getting your hips off the ground, that one. And at the end, there's a minute of basically flat sit-ups and then a what called neck pull, where you curl your back down to, you know, try to get your neck to, or your head to your forehead to your knees. And just the sit-up part of that was difficult because my abs were already wore out. So not sure what it's gonna take to get through that whole thing without having my abs being strained. But anyway, we'll get there. I'm gonna keep on doing it. So anyway, that went well. Got a good torso flex, like it said, torso stretch and back stretch, hamstring stretch, all that was good. Then our walk jog was more of a jog walk. I broke the 13-minute mile pace. I think I'm 12:40s or 12:50s. I think I might be high 12:40s anyway. Don't remember what my watch said. So still a little bit out of breath from that, but that went well. I like making progress. Of course, I got some new shoes yesterday. My other ones, the soles, I about walked the soles off of those. These ones those last ones were Hoka's, the Gaviotas. They were nice. I got them last July. I put close to 600 miles of official walk time on them, where I got my timer going, plus all the incidental weight working and all the other stuff. These are starting today, and these are New Balance, and so far so good. Like them. I like them. The main thing is the inserts. I've got some Curex inserts. Just the regular profile. They're running insoles, but they're for my gait is pretty straight. So I don't have a pronate, or I don't know what they call the inside one, but I'm pretty well walk straight. So the insert I could have in there is for my foot and my walking style and running style and all that. So it feels good. If you don't put those in your shoes, you should, because they make a big difference. Those Gaviotas are the first ones that I wore out right down the middle of the shoe. So these inserts kind of help with making sure you're walking straight. So if you don't have them in there, the shoe companies don't make the shoe with an insert that fits your foot. Those inserts, anyway, that's a whole nother story. We can get into that. I went to a place called Fleet Feet or Feet Fleet, whatever, and they told me all about that. So anyway, look it up. Anyway, better go, get this Wednesday done, get it on the road, get over the hump, get on down to the weekend. So tomorrow we got our back workout and we've got those pull-ups, band assist. There'll be 4 sets of 9. We'll see where we're at with those. I just don't know about those. That's probably the worst. Probably the hardest, going to be the hardest one. The other 3 days, I'll probably make it through, but this one here is going to be the hardest one. So anyway, we'll see y'all tomorrow. You guys have a great Wednesday. Get out and do some longevity training and so you can meet age with grace. So we'll see you later. You guys take care, be safe. See ya.